Ready? Let's start. Leave granted with the consent of the learned counsel for the parties. We have taken up the appeal for hearing. Right to file a reply is waived. Para. We have heard learned counsel for the parties, including counsel for the complainant oblique informant who has filed an application seeking impleadment, which is allowed impleading him as a respondent number 2 to the present appeal. Prima facie, in our opinion, mere breach of contract does not amount to an offence under section 420 or section 406 of the Indian Penal Code 1861 unless fraudulent or dishonest intention is shown right at the beginning of the transaction to para. This court has time and again cautioned about converting purely civil disputes into criminal cases. 3. Any effort to settle civil disputes and claims which do not involve any criminal offence by applying pressure through criminal prosecution should be deprecated and discouraged. 4. In view of the aforesaid position, we feel that the appellants Joyashree and Hitesh Kela have made out their case for grant of anticipatory bail. Para. Accordingly, it is directed that in the event of appellants Joyashree had Hitesh Kela being arrested in connection with the first information report within bracket FIR number 0220/2022 dated 26/08/2022 registered with the police station Ocean District, Jodhpur Rural, Rajasthan for the offence says punishable under sections 420 and 120B of the IPC. They shall be released on bail by the arresting oblique investigating officer or the trial court on terms and conditions to be fixed by the trial court. Para. In addition, the appellants Joyashree and Hitesh Kela shall comply with the conditions mentioned in section 438 within bracket 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 recording the aforesaid. The impugned judgment and oblique order is set aside and the appeal is allowed. Para. We clarify that the grant of anticipatory bail and the observations made in the present order will not be treated as an expression of opinion on the merits of the case. Further, this order will have no bearing whatsoever on any civil proceedings pending applications, if any, shall stand disposed of. The instant writ petition has been filed inter alia challenging an order dated 9th June 2023 and the communication letter dated 12th June 2023 issued by the Additional Chief Secretary, Labour Department, Government of West Bengal. Para. Shown of unnecessary details. The facts are that the petitioner number 1 is a society registered under the provisions of the Societies Registration Act 1961 and is dedicated to provide health services to the marginalized section of the society who are in need of health services in usual course. The petitioner number I1 had applied for exemption under section 87 of the Employees State Insurance Act 1948 sometimes in November 2011. The said application was considered by the appropriate government through the principal secretary, who by an order dated 1st November 2012 while considering the grant of an exemption under section 91 of the Employees State Insurance Act 1948 within bracket hereinafter referred to as the said act was inter alia pleased to be observed as follows. Stop.
স্যার পড়বো?
পড়ো।